What's down here? From De-Evolved. I'm out today again with Aaron from straight out of Urbex, and we've made our way into an abandoned factory, Micro Format UK. So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. Whoa, this is big. There we go, we've got some paperwork on the walls here.
It's also used by a company called Storifile.
Storifile, yeah. So intruder alarm zones here.
The alarm.
If you cannot stop the alarm.
We've even got the alarm code.
There it is there, yeah. Is this door open? Right, so we reckon?
No, I know it looks.
Oh, that door's... Yeah, look, that door's screwed up, that one.
Well, we can go through that way.
No. Right. I wonder how big it actually is. Take a look. What is in this room? Oh God, what's through here? What's here? Oh, this goes to from the outside. Yeah, the bit we couldn't get through. Yeah, and then more here.
Screw shut.
Yeah. There's paperwork on the side here. What's this one? That's that Storifile. So much broken glass. Do you reckon there was a fire here?
I reckon there was.
There's a lot of graffiti in here as well.
Very cool.
Yeah. Another door to probably outside, yeah. Oh, look at this little hut in the middle. Wow.
This would have been like a control room.
Yeah, you have like a, what do they call it? Like the foreman or whatever. Yeah. Where does this go? Oh yeah, that's right, yeah.
I'll go to that workshop.
Look at all that coming through the ceiling.
It's definitely been abandoned a long time.
Over to the other side. I wonder if we can get up the stairs. I haven't seen any stairs yet. Oh, that's interesting looking. What is that? Is that part of a lift or? Oh no.
No way.
I was interested in that, but yeah. Oh, poor little bugger. Okay, oh, his eyes have all gone.
Very old either, actually, to be fair.
No, his
That's
eyes
young,
have
isn't
popped
it?
out.
Has he got maintenance?
I don't know, but his eyes are just. Oh, it's got all like
Yeah,
maggots inside him.
Look at the back, he's got maintenance.
Yeah, poor little bugger. It does smell. I can smell him. Yeah. I can smell him. We've got another area. Where are we going? Interesting. Yeah.
The old school bulbs. Oh, big old, watch out.
Yeah, there's a few. The drains aren't really that safe to walk across. The metal's eroded. Jump over that carefully. There we go. What have you got? Workshop? Oh, nice. Is there much left in it? Oh, we've got a desk of some sort at least.
Doors there.
Nice. Always good to find more doors. Let's take a look.
Hello.
Oh, they're quite old, aren't they?
Yeah.
Where does that go? It goes down. It goes down. It goes down. Where does it go down to? It's low ceilings already. Where does that go?
Steps upstairs to nowhere.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they lead to nowhere.
Nowhere? Let's have a
It
look.
does sort of go down. That's a bit weird.
What do you reckon? Has it been backfilled or has it just collapsed? Or?
It goes down as well, underneath where we are. But
Yeah? I'm going to put the camera through. Let's have a look.
I don't know what's underneath. God knows what's underneath.
Oh yeah, look. Yeah, it drops down here. Oh yeah, look, them stairs that go up there, they're well old, them stairs.
Yeah, they are. This is well old, this building.
And that's under the flooring.
It probably goes wherever that goes.
Twisted up. So what, we reckon it goes underneath here?
I don't know.
Hang on.
You want to try and have a look?
Yeah, I think the camera's going to turn upside down when I start trying to film it, but let's have a look. Don't drop the torch. It does go. There's a room under there.
The room?
Yeah, and I think it goes around the corner. I think around the corner's been bricked up, and that way it's well hard to see with my arms hanging down like this. I think, yeah, just generally around the corner there. We'll have a look at that in a minute. But yeah, we can jump down if you want. Have a look down there.
I can't see anything. Let's have a look. If you'll be able to see anything down there or not.
I think this joins to that other bit. Yeah. There's loads of cobwebs down here. Yeah, it does. It's just a little room. A little square room, yeah. It's really hard. Sorry about the camera angle, guys. I'm upside down at the moment. And I'm trying to do the best I can, but yeah. That's under there. Oh, the blood's rushing to my head. Yeah. Blinded by the light and
Nothing too major then?
no, it's not really worth going down. It's just a room under there. I'm on the road to nowhere. Right, so not that way. Right, this way. We can't get up there, I don't think. Does that go anywhere? Look, there's a door frame up there. No, it's not. It's a support beam, isn't it? There he goes. All right. There he is, Silver Surfer. That's right, you're safe on that, I reckon. Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, I can see it,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just pipes and shit.
Okay, that's right, no worries, we'll leave that then. Right. Jump down, you'll be alright. Nice. To be honest, it doesn't really go that far anyway. No. Right, this way. There's a sort of motion sensor, but obviously that didn't work. Yeah. Some more wall tiles. Not very clean. And that brings us out to the room where the dead fox is. You got stairs? Oh, nice. Oh, they're quite big stairs as well.
Seem to feel okay. I'm not dead yet, so it's all good. We can get through there.
We're not getting through that.
Scrooge that.
Oh, it's still quite big up here. Where does this go? Yeah.
Oh, for God's sake.
What is it?
The room door.
Oh, really? Is it really? Unbelievable. We've gone round in a circle.
Oh my God.
Unbelievable.
Oh my God.
Look at this heater thing. Yeah. Well, that's alright, at least we managed to get to this area.
Yeah.
A bit random, like a bag and some stuff. What is it?
You can get to the roof out there, it's not that. I can't see that building next door though, yeah?
Oh yeah.
I can't believe that.
Oh, yeah. Oh fuck. It slipped. Yeah. How do we get to that area though? With the missing skylight bits?
That bit, where that door's locked, isn't it?
Oh, to get down to there, yeah?
I think so.
Okay.
I think we can make it through to that.
Here we go, it's looking down. There you go. Can't really light it up too much, guys, because it's really big. There we go. That's about as good as I can get from you guys. It's looking down over where we were a minute ago with that little office area. Right. Where are you? Yeah. 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 Crazy. It's like no one believed in opening doors here, they just barged through them, right? Yeah. Going out there, that's to the outside. To the roof.
Covered in moss.
The other side of the roof, yeah, it is.
Toilet. We've got a little room here.
Another room. Oh yeah, look at those steps, they lead up as well. That's more steps that go somewhere. Do you reckon those steps that we saw outside? No.
The basement.
The basement lead up to those, maybe. Interesting. Funny little door though.
Yeah.
Got a green door over here. Got a green door. Oh no, this one's screwed shut as well.
Yeah.
All the electrics has been, everything's been cut out and stripped.
Yep.
Yeah, no, that's fair enough. Right, what is this? Ouch! Head. Jackets, reels, diazo, duplicating. Jackets, reels for diazo, duplicating.
But that's not for us.
It might be, right, it has happened before. Right. Let's have a look. Oh, another toilet, yeah. Typical, yeah, absolutely smashed to pieces like always.
As usual.
Yeah. All rubbish after break times. I get rid of rubbish after break times. Been through that way.
Yeah.
We've done that way.
Yeah.
We've done upstairs, we've done downstairs, and we've done the basement.
And the only door we haven't been through is that one that's screwed shut.
Screwed shut, yeah.
I can't see no way to get downstairs.
No, that's it.
There must be a door. There must be a door that goes downstairs. Wait, there must be a way to it. There must be somewhere.
What is down here? God, it's wet. Right, what's up these steps? We can go up here, and this takes us to, oh, these things. We've got these massive water storage containers. Ouch. Let's have a look, see if we can get down here. Big cobweb in the face. Oh yeah, it just goes underneath. It doesn't go any further, guys. It's just the, oh, nearly done myself on that bar. It's just a big water storage tank up here. Not easy to get around though. Hang on, these steps are dodgy. There we go. It's well slippery. Right, through there. Back in the neck. Right. What's down here? Oh, there's another room. Let's have a look in here. Part of the aircon, I think. Random table. Yeah, it's not an awful lot down this way, man. Takes the trousers a bit. What is that? Is that a sanding belt?
That's the blinds.
Oh.
Bugger that, Luke.
We've just managed to get out of there. It was quite sketchy to get out. We didn't bother filming it, and now we're going to make our way out of this area.
Thank you for watching. Please press the circle to subscribe, and why not check out one of our other videos.